My name's Kelly Swanson. I teach at South Lake Elementary. I've been teaching for 24 years. I've taught 4th grade, 3rd grade, 2nd grade. 3rd grade for the longest. First part of the school year, kindergarten is crazy. They're all over the place, but probably the reason why I love teaching kindergarten is just the honesty. You know, everything is real, everything is new to them. They tell you what they think in a very honest way. I've been teaching kindergarten for a total of 8 years now. Most kindergartners these days come in to, already knowing their basics. Kindergarten is not, learning ABCs and learning how to write their name. They come in already knowing that. We focus more on taking them to the next level, knowing how to pull individual sounds apart and put those sounds together so that they can start reading and writing and decoding words to read. And probably my favorite part is just being everything's hands-on. Anytime that I'm coming up with a lesson, I try to think of how can I teach it in a way that they can touch it and feel it and do it. So when we're working on segmenting, breaking words apart, then we get out our hula hoops, which we call sound circles, and they jump in each circle for every sound they hear. So that's just an example of kind of how we learn with our bodies and our hands and not just always sitting and using paper pencil. One thing that we set up is, we help each other and we don't put each other down, we don't put ourselves down. We encourage each other, we encourage ourselves so that, they're not scared to try new things, even if they're thinking, I can't do this. And that's one of the rules, is we don't say I can't. It might be hard, but I'm going to try. And the more that I try, the easier it'll get. I think it's watching them learn, whether it was a 4th grader or a 3rd grader or a 2nd grader, or even in kindergarten, just watching them succeed and to slowly be able to do something that they didn't know how to do before. And that's all I ever wanted as a teacher, was for someone to enjoy reading as much as I enjoy reading, or to enjoy going to school as much as I enjoy going to school. So that, it's kind of what I want to see from my kids, is to have that love of learning and reading and being successful and making new friends.